Okay, the puppies are outside. These are Bella's. And they were romping around here just a few minutes ago playing. But now they see me, so of course they're going to whine for me. There's Cloud playing over there. Go play. Go play. Go play. Go play. Go play. Oh, hush. Go play. You guys are okay out here. Yeah, you guys are okay out here. You being a good boy, Cloud. Yes, you being a good boy. I got a wasp on me. Go away. Go play, you guys. Alright, I'm going to sneak out here in a few more minutes when they know I'm not here and see what I can get off of them. Okay, bye for now.